What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're looking at WeLock, and this has fingerprint sensors and it also has a Wi-Fi box so that you can connect it to your internet. This will replace your exterior doorknob so that you can have locks on it and be able to use your fingerprint so that you can get into your house. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how well it does. Here we go. Nice fun way to open it as well. This front right here, it says open, so we're just gonna pull this out like so. Boom. Comes with the instruction manual like so. It has nice drawings as well, so it's easy to follow. And this is the lock itself. It comes with everything, as you could see there, fingerprint sensor. It also comes with key tags, useful when you want to open your locks with key tag instead. Like, then a bunch of accessories like this as well. Let's open up the Wi-Fi box. I believe this works with Bluetooth as well. Has a Bluetooth gateway. You can use the app to open your doors. Pretty nice design by WeLock as well. Comes with a micro USB charger as well, and instruction manual. So we've gone ahead and take off the old lock, and we've installed the inside part right here with the 2 screws. Now, depending on how far the hole would be, you can adjust it, as you could see here. I adjusted mine towards the center of the hole. Make sure to jot down the code as well, and then put the gasket on. And then we're gonna insert it like so. The other side should look like this. And then we're gonna take the plate and we're gonna insert the 2 screws there. It's also nice that they've provided a screwdriver in the box. After that, we just install the other side, and then there's 2 screws as well. Make sure that it works before you put the screws on. We're going to take the Allen keys now in the box, and we're going to open this up so that we can install the AAA batteries. Just open up the compartment, and it needs 3 AAA batteries. Now we're just going to install the cap back and install the Allen keys back. So the Wifibox 2 looks like this. It has a micro USB on the back, indicator lights on the front, and a reset setting on the back so that you can reset the network. And then you just hook it up the power. It would have the red light. That's it. And then the next step is just setting it up on the app. Now let's go ahead and install the WeLock app. We're gonna make an account and also add the devices. Let's go ahead and add the lock here. Just gonna scan the QR code in front of the lock, and then we're gonna put the lock ID. And then the next step is to add the gateway now. It's a Wi-Fi box. It's gonna connect to the Bluetooth here, and then in the same way, just gonna scan the QR and you should be good to go. During the setup, you're gonna connect it to a Wi-Fi connection, which is 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And once it's all good to go, it should show the green light on the Wi-Fi, showing that it's actually connected to the Wi-Fi. And that's it. Really easy. If you did it correctly, it should look like this. You should have a Wi-Fi box and also a WeLock lock button there. And then on the Wi-Fi box, we're gonna click that, and then we're gonna add the lock there as well so that we can connect it via Wi-Fi. As you can see here, I've already added it. So pretty much you can click it here and then change some settings as well here. You'll be able to lock and unlock your door via Wi-Fi using the Wi-Fi box. Via Wi-Fi box, you can also add a card so that you can give someone access. You can give the card to someone and they'll be able to open the door. You can schedule it as well, start and stop time, or anytime you want. As you can see here, we're just adding the QR code like so. And it says here that it was successful. We're going to try out the card now. Let's see if it works. So right now, it is locked. So we're going to click the power button there, hit the card there. And as you could see, it was successful and it's able to open the door. Now let's try using a fingerprint sensor. Again, to turn on the lock, you just have to click the power button and then hit the fingerprint sensor and it'll unlock the door, as you can see there. Pretty quick actually. And then after a few seconds, it will lock itself. Pretty good. Now, what if the lock had run out of battery? How do I unlock the door? Just to prove it to you guys that it's not turned on, they're pressing the power button and it's not turned on. Now we're gonna hook up the micro USB on the front with a battery pack. This will give power to the motor so that it'll be able to open and close the door, but you won't be able to do it yet unless you have access on the app. So here's the app. It would look like this. Look to the bottom left corner and hit the USB button. Here you would then hit the unlock button, and that's it. As you could see, even if you run out of battery, you'll be able to unlock your doors. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new lock for your doors with the fingerprint sensor. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.